I wouldn't be scared if I go back.
Khynnah Pule na Meghalaya ki badang shwan phai shen na ka Jylla Manipur ka badan hapadeng ka jing khi ka bajur kila penpau ka jing Sngewnguh ka Sorkar Jylla ka bala Jingpynkloi ka jing Jingïarap jongki ka bala Jingïarap shikat dei khamtam baki don hapadeng ka shongs ir ha baki don ha ka tege Jylla shu kila penpau ru baki khmi lenti badwai bakan wan no ka shongsuk ka shongsngan ha ka tege Jylla ka badon menta hapadeng ka jing khiwen.
Hello, my name is Jylla. I'm studying in College of Agriculture in Pule, BSc Agriculture, first year in second semester. During our stay in Manipur, in the hostel, we faced many kind of situations. First, like if there was totally no net, so we didn't know what was happening outside, so we were like scared and all. And like at around 6 to the whole night, we had to switch off our lights and lock our doors and stay together in compact rooms. And as it was hot, we faced many kind of situations, and plus we were even scared to go out to even go and pee. So like we faced many kind of situations, and like we were also scared to death because we were hearing like gunshots and all. When the internet was shut down, we had Wi-Fi in our hostel, so it was we had a little Wi-Fi, like it was not that strong, but we somehow managed it. Like we from that Wi-Fi, we tried to ask the connections like from different colleges. We tried to ask if they had links with the other ministers, MLS, their local MLS. So we asked numbers from them. That's how we were able to connect with the other, like the high authorities, to help us.
Like the situation was not good when we were there. Like we can hear the blast like near our campus and the firing going on. We tried to contact them, and thankfully, by God's grace, we could contact them. When the internet was banned, like we had an association for the agri students, and then like the president of our association, he contacted them. We got positive results by contacting them, and they gave us hope.
I think we can go back to hostel or go back to the college when the situation is like calm and all that, and like I wouldn't be scared if I go back, because like the higher authorities, they have I heard that everything is under control and all.
From past 3 days, it was a really tense moment in Manipur. So like every time firing, bomb blasts. So it was really tense, but at the same time, Meghalaya government really worked hard, and they contacted with Indian Army for evacuation. The Indian Army, when we was about to go, they gave us some instruction, like if we face some crowd, if we face some mob, like what we have to do. They give us some instruction, and finally they take up to airport safely. I believe that the situation will be under control within 1-2 weeks, because not only the state government is working, but also the central government is now supporting the state government to bring the situation under control. Past 2-3 days, like more forces and different kind of forces were let down by central government for helping other students who are there in Manipur. So I believe that central government and state government are working together, so definitely